Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. Today I'm sharing very different, delicious and chatpatti tawa chicken recipe for you guys. You can make a healthy version out of it by using little less oil or just baking it, or you can serve it to your guests for any barbecue or any other party for that matter. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. So let's start the recipe. Bismillah. First, we need some seasoning blend for this recipe. For that, I need cumin and coriander roasted and crushed. I did that, transferred it onto the bowl, adding some black pepper powder, crushed red chili powder, kasuri methi, fenugreek leaves, chaat masala, and garam masala. Mix everything well and put this on the side. In a heavy bottom deep pan, I'm heating up some oil on a high flame, transferring leg quarters and just putting them into single layer with some green chilies in there. Now, if you have a lot of chicken and a small pot, just do this process in batches. When one side get nice golden color, flip and let the other side get that golden color as well. Adding some ginger and garlic in there and with some salt, mix well, and now we will add that chatpata masala which we just make, which will make our tawa chicken chatpata. And but saving some of the masala, like around 3 to 4 tablespoon, add the remaining and then mix very well. Then cover, simmer, and let the chicken cook completely. So after a while, here you can see the chicken release all its water. Now bring your flame to high setting again, so extra water will dry out. And now we will add the remaining masala which we saved, but again saving a tablespoon for garnish. We are doing this process because the masala which we added earlier will create the gravy, and the masala which we added later will give that crunch to it. Here you can see the water dried out. I'm taking the chicken out, sprinkle that remaining masala with some cilantro and onion rings. Then you can enjoy this chicken with paratha, naan, or anything which your heart desire. And if you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.